Replace thermal paste on a laptop. Ground yourself before touching sensitive electronics to avoid DSD. Disassemble the laptop following an exhaustive teardown guide specific for your laptop. Remove the fan and the heatsink and clean the fan with compressed air. Clean CPU and GPU dies with isopropyl alcohol. CPU Intel Core i7-3630QM. GPU NVIDIA GeForce GT 650M. Apply the thermal compound, Arctic MX4, depending on the shape of the die or chip, grain of rice or line. Line of thermal paste on CPU. Grain of rice thermal paste on GPU and video memory. Reinstall the fan and the heatsink. Have fun with a cooler laptop. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.